Joy. Sorrow is turned into joy before him. Thou hast put gladness in my heart. Thou hast turned for me my mourning into dancing. Thou hast put off my sackcloth and girded me with gladness. Job 41:22, Psalms 4:7, 30:11. We cannot conceive of the spirit as being sad or depressed. There is ever a song at the center of everything. This song is reflected in all nature, turning mourning into dancing. To put off sackcloth means the turning of the personality to a complete reliance upon the divine. To be girded with gladness means to cover ourselves with the threefold nature of good. This is a symbol of divine protection. Turning the mind to God and recognizing the omnipresence of love causes us to rejoice as we recognize that in pure spirit we live, move, and have our being. Today, I deliberately turn from everything that depresses and sing a song of praise, of gratitude, and of joy. I am going forth to meet joy, singing the song of the triumph of spirit over all apparent negation. We are to rejoice evermore. There is no sadness in the spirit. It is happy and free, for it knows neither depression nor confusion when we belong to it, are in and of it.